Here they are, the DeWalt 12-volt subcompact line. These drills are a lot better than I expected them to be. They're 12 volts, they're under 2 pounds, they're super tiny and compact, and they do a lot of the same things these guys will do. So these are the 20 volt line. So as you can see, if I put my old impact next to this guy, you can see it is so much smaller and it's a lot lighter too. And I'm really happy with it. So as you see, I got the light on there and I really like how it glows around that ring there. And then right here is pretty sweet. It's got a digital power control on it. So right here is for basically our torque setting. So if you set this, you can put screws in and it won't sink them in the whole way. And then we also have low, and then we have high, which is pretty fast for 12 volt. And just to give you a comparison, I'll throw this guy into high. So you can see this sounds a little bit messier on the power side, but this is just a brute workhorse. And then this guy is nice and light. It's perfect for electricians and homeowners. And even I like this guy. I like carrying this guy for just the smaller jobs where I don't need a whole lot of power. And as you can see, we got a nice little 2 amp hour battery, which is really nice and compact. And then also this is my other favorite drill. You can see this is the big guy. So in comparison, this guy is nice and little, it's just 2 pounds. And the chuck on it is really nice. I was kind of impressed on the chuck quality. And then this guy's just got second. And then we got our torque monster, first gear. And then this is just a variable speed trigger. There's no power control on it, but it's also got a nice little light on there. So let's go ahead and see these guys in action. I got these screws started. They're all 2.5 inch screws. And then we're gonna start with the 18 volts, so we can set the standard. That's pretty good. Then we'll do the 12 volt. About the same speed. This one, yeah, that's pretty close to the same results, and it didn't really struggle that much. And then we'll go ahead and try the other 2 drills just to give you a comparison. Now we're going to repeat the same test with the 2 regular drills. Now this guy's a monster, so we'll see how it does compared to this. So I'm going to do 2 screws. We'll do rapid fire, second gear. This one almost has too much speed. Did all right. Now we'll use the little 12 volt. Still did pretty good. Yeah, these 2 are definitely worth the money. And with the DeWalt name, you know you got the quality and you know it's going to last a while. And they're not too far off from the 18 volt line, but these guys are a heck of a lot lighter. So if you're picking up a drill every day and then running it for like 6 hours, I definitely recommend these guys. They're not going to run as long, but with these little batteries, they charge in no time, and they're versatile. I really like them, and I highly recommend them.